What if I told you the digit 3 can be worth 3, 30, or 300? It all depends on where it sits. Think of a number like a market stall. Each position is a different shelf, and the shelf decides the value. After the decimal point, values get smaller. The 7 here is in the hundredths place, so its value is 0.07. Common mistake. Students say the 3 in 4037 is worth 3. No, it is in the tens place, so it is worth 30. Remember, value equals the digit times its position. King Henry taught others to dance happily. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, and beyond. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.